this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to clear the storage on your apps and clear the cache as well. So this is very easy. So on your Android phone, just swipe on down from the top right and go to Settings. Scroll on down on here and just locate Applications. Now choose your application. Let's go to See All. And then go to it. Here's Compass for an example. Go to Storage and Cache. Then you can clear the cache right here, and you can try restarting the app and see if this fixes your issue. Then if you go to Clear Storage, it says Delete App Data. The app data, including files and settings, will be permanently deleted from this device. Now, a lot of times I've noticed this logs me out of my account as well. So if I'm logged into Netflix, it might log me out if I do that. Then you have the option to force stop the app right there. And then you can just try reopening it. See if that fixes your issue. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below.